Hello, another week with high pressure dominating the weather across the UK. It means, well, again, there's not going to be a lot of rain around. For most, it will be another dry week, and it's actually going to be a pretty chilly week. We start the week with fog, giving some big problems, but as we go through the week, fog should become a bit less of an issue. Now, we've got high pressure in control, as you can see here on the big picture, sitting pretty much slap bang across the UK. And as we run through the sequence, as we run through the next few days, high pressure remains in control. It just starts to ebb away. It's always keeping these weather fronts at bay. They try and push in, but they really don't succeed. The main difference is that by Wednesday and Thursday, more isobars on the chart. And more isobars means more wind. And it's that increasing wind which means fog will become less of a problem. However, that's all to come. We've still got fog around at the moment, thick in places, dense across some parts of England and Wales in particular, and through Tuesday it's going to be very slow to clear. Some places will see glorious sunny skies, but others staying in fog for much of the day. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's a different story. The first of those weather fronts pushing in, bringing some patchy rain across western Scotland and bringing a lot of cloud, but also bringing milder air, so temperatures here may reach double digits. Elsewhere, we start well below freezing, and even where we've got some sunshine, temperatures are going to struggle, just 4 or 5 degrees, and if the fog sticks, we may not even reach those kind of numbers. On Wednesday, again, there's still a potential for fog, mostly across the southeast and eastern parts of England. Elsewhere, again, a lot of dry weather, many places seeing some sunshine. Not as foggy for many because the breeze starting to pick up, but still, light winds across the southeast means it's still cold and it is still foggy. By the time we get to Thursday, well, isobars right across the UK. Again, weather fronts not making many inroads, but those isobars means the winds will be that much stronger. Now, this is interesting because the wind's actually coming up from the south. And you'd think normally that winds from the south would bring warmer air, so Thursday would start to see the temperatures climbing. But actually, it's been very cold recently across much of continental Europe, and still some cold air across France driving northwards. So Thursday may feel particularly raw because of those winds, and especially if it stays cloudy. So it could be quite a bitter day for some during Thursday. Temperatures in a few places, well, may not get much above 1 or 2 degrees, even with a little bit of brightness. And even in the west, where we're looking at 9 or 10 during Tuesday and Wednesday, we're only looking at 6 or 7. So Thursday's going to feel cold, even though the winds are coming up from the south. Again, most places dry. There's that weather front just staying out to the west. Move to Friday, spot the difference. Winds coming up from the south. Uncertainty about the position of this weather front. It could be a little bit further inland, but again, many places just dry. With more of a breeze, fog not such a problem. Temperatures may climb a little bit on Friday compared to Thursday. There's that weather front still trying to make inroads. The high pressure starting to move away. There are low pressure systems gathering out in the Atlantic. They want to move in across the UK and change our weather, but there's a lot of uncertainty at the moment. Right now, it looks as if the start of the weekend may well be dry for many of us, but we'll keep you updated on that. You can always find out more on the Met Office app and online.